Hey, Gene, is this the right tool to use to cut the gears out? What?
Let's not be using that!
Hi, I'm Rick Higgins. You know how I'm always telling you to try new things? Well, I'm trying something new. I'm not really good at finished carpentry work. Hell, I'm not good at anything involving my hands. Just ask my wife. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Sorry. Hi, I'm Rick Higgins. You know how I'm always telling you to try new things? Well, I am about to try something that I'm really not good at, but it's important that you try them anyway. I am in the shop of DIY Gene, and this is Gene
Cabasses.
Close enough. This is DIY Gene.
Look, until Mondays, I can't say it either.
So what we are going to do today is we are going to steampunk the hell out of something, which is going to involve power tools, a lot of blood, probably a few appendages taken off, and maybe some paint. I'm going to look really attractive by the end of this.
Yeah.
You think I can do it?
I think you can. Are you standing on a crate? Because I'm taller than you.
Now, one of the things that Gene does really well, as you can see behind me, is he steampunks the hell out of everything. So what I asked him to show me how to do is cut out some gears, how to actually do some paint to make it look really industrial. Now, I'm not sure if this is the right tool to use or not, but...
Yeah, I don't think that's going to work. Thanks.
I guess not. So, I'm not even going to talk. Just tell me what we're doing. It's all a Gene show.
All right, well,
Unless you want me to interrupt you some more.
You can interrupt all you want. I thought I'd put you onto something a little safer and easier to start with. So we're going to start out on the bandsaw.
That's safe?
No, but it's safer. And
what exactly am I going to be cutting out aside from appendages?
we're gonna start cutting some gears. Now, of course, we can't do them out of metal. That'd be a totally different thing. So we're gonna either use a hardwood or a material called MDF, which is medium density fiber.
I knew he could do it. I knew it.
Yeah, it took a minute, you know. But before you do anything, you're gonna have to don some safety glasses.
Very fashionable.
Ear protection.
Wow. Do I get a DIY apron?
All right, but no bleeding on it.
I do get a DIY apron.
If you want one.
Well, Gene says safety, so I'm going to get my hair out of the way because, honestly, I don't want this caught in the blades of some saw. That would not make for a good video. Ah. Okay, Gene, so what are we doing?
All right, I'm going to put a light dust of spray glue on this to use it as a template or pattern. And we'll put it down here into the corner. This, and maybe this one right here. Now, because I want to cut two of these rather than stacking two of them, I'm going to put a light dusting of spray paint over this, and then we'll move them over and do a second pattern. And with that, I'm going to take it outside. And I can cut that, or you can cut it.
I think I'll leave that to professional. Yeah, safety gear. Safety, safety.
We want to practice safe cutting. Fire in the hole!
Hey, I want to try this first. Let me try it.
All right. Divide this thing into four.
Into four.
Like a set of crosshairs. And try to make sure you're in the center and they're even. But you're just eyeballing this.
Oh, well, that I can do. I'm a professional now. Wait a minute. Safety.
Yeah, we don't want you poking your eye with a pencil.
We're off to a great start. Now what?
You can't see it from my house. Yeah.
All right, you say I'm supposed to put holes in this thing?
Yes, so now I want you to, from your crosshairs, do an equal distance.
Oh, dear God,
between
I gotta do
those.
math. I'm just going to wing this. All right, so like there. Creativity does not have rules and restrictions.
It's a beautiful thing.
To everyone out there with tools of your own, I apologize deeply. Oh, dear God, he's getting out more tools. This is not going to end well. Now, you said I have to clamp this down or bad things will happen to me?
Yeah, you don't want to just trust the strength of your hand to hold on to this, because if it gets an edge of it, that's when I watch your finger go flying over that way. And you know, I'm really not in the mood to clean that stuff up. So hold on to it this way and bring it down.
Sure, let's try that.
Yeah.
Clamp on. Oh, is that it? And I'm done, right? This is all I have to do?
That's it. Looks like a gear.
Well, thanks for watching. We'll see. No, I'm sure there's something else we have to do.
Oh yeah, just a little.
I missed. How the hell did I miss? Oh my gosh, this is hard. Nope, not even halfway. There's your pattern.
Actually, the gears don't look too bad there, do they?
Well, say that again. Please say that again.
I said, actually, the gears don't look too bad.
When we started this video, obviously I was trying to teach you to do new things, to branch out and do things that you've never done before. This was not it. This was sort of a comic relief episode. But I do have something to admit. This is Gene. I've known him for a year now. I've never actually met him. Not face to face. We're not just because we're across the country, because that's what you do these days, right? So my encouragement to you is when you're trying to think of things to do that you've never done before, include people. Yeah. Even if they look like him.
Even if they look like me, you know. This is a sympathy video, and...
It is. But no, I am actually so glad I got to meet him. I am so glad I got to show you my skills. And I'm just going to go put this somewhere else.
I think that should hang on your wall.
Okay, so did I actually try new things? Well, kind of I did. I kind of learned something. I even got to keep most of my fingers. Maybe woodworking is not your thing, maybe it is, but the importance is to try new things, and that might include the supernatural. What video should they watch next, Gene?
Oh, you guys should definitely check out the Ghosties, or any of the other videos he's got on his channel.
Yeah, what he said. And with that, be healthy, be happy, and we'll see you next time.